maximum services. Okay, talk to you. What about the remedy road?
Yes, sir. Why? But that's a small size. I've seen them use this size before. Kind of. Okay, it's $3.47. Smiling under here, but you guys can't even see.
As long as they're through airplane mode, before the aircraft can move, everyone must be seated with their seatbelts securely fastened, tray tables and carry-on items properly stowed and all numbers lowered.
You guys can hear me, but y'all, I just freaking took a train. I've been on a normal train before, but never in Atlanta, and never a standing up one. It was so interesting to be on.
Complex question, it also goes on the question that what
from above, every day would seem turning into love zone.
So while I wait to board, I wish I got to talk to you. I hope you guys can hear me. I wish I got to talk to you guys more throughout this thing. I'm nervous to record in public, and even now I know somebody's watching me. But yeah, if I needed to say anything, I'll do a voiceover. Oh, this is the back of my hair in case you guys didn't see. Okay, let me shut up and get on these people playing.
Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, a sincere apology for our late departure out of Atlanta.
Showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
vlogging today, by the way.
Oh my god.
Okay, so how was the drive? Look at you, little Miss Cali. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my god.
I'm so excited. Okay, let me put.
I think this one can fit in the middle section. Yeah. Go!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna cry. Let me hand sanitizer. Take these gloves off.
Okay. I have some sanitizer right here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm in freaking San Diego, California. I'm so excited. We're gonna have so much fun.
Oh my god.
I'm really trying not to explode off of my clothes right now.
I'm so excited.
It wasn't that bad. I had to do a connecting flight from I can't even talk. I'm breathing so hard. From Florida to Atlanta and then Atlanta to here.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. But
not that bad.
my time in my head, it's 1 o'clock. For you, it's like 10 a.m.
Yeah. No, yeah, the
time difference.
The time difference gives me everything.
Alright, this is so
I know.
I'm so excited.
The area down here is called Gas Lamp District, and it's like at night there's like all the bars are up, like everyone's out in dresses, like getting drinks. It's like
Cute.
so cute.
Wow.
It's so cute.
There's a difference.
Yeah, it's like
Grill?
I think it's a grill.
Grill? Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
And then I'll do a grilled cheese.
Would you like onions on that?
Yeah, can I do home grilled onions?
Okay.
Light tomato. And then I'll get an animal style fry light.
Animal style fry light.
And then I'll get a Sprite.
And a Sprite as well. Will you be eating this in your car?
Yes.
Wait, so what drink did I say?
Said Sprite.
With whole good onion,
Sprite, so
an
7
animal
Up,
fry
okay.
light, a regular animal fry, and 2 7-Up.
Yes.
Your total will be 20/20 at that first window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, in and out, boy. Okay, you guys, basically this is the end of the video, but my cousin and I, Naomi, you want to say hi? This is this is my cousin Naomi. We are going to be trying, well, I'm going to be trying In and Out. So what did you say this is called? Or so this one is mine and this one.
Yeah.
What's this one called?
That's I think that's a double cheese. Yeah, double. And then animal style fries.
Yeah, so let's see what this is about.
Okay, here's what I'll do. I'll put yours in this box.
Okay.
Just so you can have your own, like.
Did you, which one is yours? Or you didn't drink any of
the
them
front,
yet?
the front one.
The front one is yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one's
Thank you. Oh, wait, pass the, a fork. Oh, that's the ketchup?
Yeah, it's
okay.
ketchup.
God, it's good.
Amen.
Ooh. This cheese is melted.
Yeah, it's like melted cheese.
The cheese tastes good.
Okay.
The fries taste good.
Is it the sauce that's throwing you off?
I don't think it tastes good so far.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if I need to take more with the sauce on it.
Okay. The sauce is also
but it tastes good so far. The sauce is also in the burger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Probably a 7.58.
Okay, okay.
It wouldn't get a 9 only because the onion's kind of strong.
Oh, okay, okay.
But it does taste good. This sauce, I don't know what sauce this is.
Yeah.
They call it In-N-Out sauce?
Yeah, In-N-Out sauce.
That tastes good.
Okay, okay.
It also almost remind me of you know, Baconator fries or cheesy fries with bacon, that thing?
Yeah.
It reminds me of that.
Has the same vibe, yeah. Okay. Well, you came to In-N-Out, tried animal style fries.
Animal style fries. Alright, let's see what this burger is saying now. What type of burger did you get?
I got a grilled cheese.
Oh, okay.
So it doesn't have meat in it. We forgetting I'm on camera, I have to eat like nicely. I'm like okay, how's the burger?
It tastes good. But it don't taste like
amazing.
It don't taste like it don't taste different. It just tastes like a burger. It tastes good though.
Right. That's how I felt too when I first tried it.
That double is hitting though. I was surprised they don't have
bacon.
Most burger places have bacon.
No, I'm telling you, like In-N-Out is really simple. Like you saw the menu. There's only 4 options. Like
4 options. So how did it become so big? Or like be so hype? Or because people hype it up?
Yeah, people hype it up, and also it's like customizable, so you can like when people started coming up with like animal style, protein style, like all these secret menu things, people started like really
having fun with that part. Okay.
Like adding like ingredients to their burgers and stuff. Like
guys, I'm starving, so this is hitting right now.
I know, same.
I have not eaten since yesterday when you guys saw me packing, and I ate at like 12 a.m. Florida time. 12 a.m. Florida time is
9 p.m. our time, right?
12 a.m. Florida time, and right now it's 2:38 Florida time.
Oh my god.
So from 12, I'm like 11:45-ish, 12 a.m. till 2:38 p.m. In California right now, it's what time? It's 11:39.
Yeah.
Either way, it's been a long time, and it's a long time. Yeah. When I was in the airport, I didn't want to chance it and buy something and then miss the
flight.
Yeah.
How long was your like how long was the first like was short, right?
The first one was like maybe 1 hour 15.
Okay.
The second one was 3 hours, and I'm like 3 hours. No, that's not really a long time, but for me,
yeah.
I'm like, what am I supposed to do? And I'm tired, but I couldn't sleep.
Yeah. No, I've flown like East Coast to West Coast like in one straight shot, and it's like 5.5 hours. I hate it. Girl, I've been on a plane for 14 hours before. That's the longest plane ride I've ever been on. It was literally like literal hell.
Where were you going?
I was going from Turkey to San Diego.
You've been to Turkey?
Yeah.
Man, I need to get out more because
girl, look at you, you're doing it now. Now you know that you can just leave. You can just get up, and go. Up and go. As long as you have the money.
As long as you're organized. Go. Okay, anyway guys, so my battery definitely died, but
we finished
it, and after eating everything, like the box is empty. We kind of did that, okay? We demolished it. After eating it, I think I said an 8.5 earlier. An 8.89. It was really good. It was actually really good. Okay. I mean, I'm also starving, you know, so that could be another reason, but it was good. that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. So I haven't done this in a long time. I think I did it in my 2 previous videos, but anyway, so now it's time for motivational quote of the day. So Naomi's going to be giving us the quote for today. You can go ahead.
Okay, so today's quote is, I am focused on the things I can control, my attitude, my efforts, and choices. Everything else is in greater hands than mine.
Period, okay?
Period.
That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying this entire video if you did. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a brand new video. Give this video a huge like, comment down below anything, I don't know, comment if you've ever been to California before. There are so many things to comment from this video. Just comment something, comment if you've had In-N-Out and if you like it.
Yes, comment about In-N-Out.
Yeah. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's gonna be a vlog. Obviously it's gonna be a vlog, so stay tuned for the California content, okay? Bye. Bye.
Ryan Little.